In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add border radius in Figma. Rounded corners are a small detail that can make your designs feel friendlier, more modern, and more consistent. Whether you're styling a button, a card, or a container, Figma makes it quick to control corner radius, and I'll walk you through it clearly. First, click the object you want to round. This can be a rectangle, a frame, a component, or most shapes that support corners. Make sure you're in the Design panel on the right side of the screen so you can see the properties for the layer you just selected. If you've selected the correct layer, you'll notice a bounding box around your object on the canvas and its properties listed in the sidebar. If you don't see corner controls, double-check that you've selected a shape that supports rounded corners. For example, lines in pure vector paths without corner nodes won't show a corner radius field, and images inside masks may require selecting the container shape rather than the image itself. With the object selected, look for the corner radius field in the Design panel. This is where you set how round the corners should be. Type a number. Let's use 50 as the example. As soon as you press Enter, you'll see all four corners round uniformly to that value. The number represents pixels, and Figma will intelligently limit the radius so it never exceeds half of the shortest side of your shape, which prevents odd distortions. If a value seems to have no effect, try a smaller number or check your shape's size. You'll get instant visual feedback as you change the value, so feel free to fine-tune. Use the up and down arrow keys to nudge the radius in small increments, and hold Shift to jump by tens for quicker adjustments. If you need different values on each corner, click the independent corners icon next to the field and enter values per corner. This is great for cards that need only the top corners rounded. Keep in mind that consistent radii, like 4, 8, or 16, help maintain a cohesive design system across your project. A couple of quick tips as you work. If you've selected multiple shapes that support corners, entering a number will apply to all of them at once, which is handy for batch updates. And if you ever want to revert, just press Command or Control plus Z to undo, or set the radius back to 0. That's it. Click the object, enter your corner radius, and you're done. Rounded corners in Figma are fast, flexible, and a great way to elevate your UI.